Hello, true believers. This is your friendly neighborhood space pirate, Rixx Javix, and I thought you might want to hear a little bit and see a little bit about the development of the recent AT21, believe it or not, introductory videos that I did for 32 teams in the Alliance Tournament. Late in August, CCP Swift contacted me and asked if I would be interested in doing something like that, and I said, of course, yes, of course, and so we went through it, and, until the feeders, there wasn't really a whole lot of, work to be done, but I get started right away, and I developed that original template, and then I started putting together some ideas on how the video might look and what it might contain, and this one, I did two versions. The first one used video, and, kind of slap-shotted that together, using background videos that I had edited together from captures in the game and some older videos. What really was they were going to be 30 seconds. So how to get as much information across as possible in that time frame. And then it was determined that, we have flagships, we have team captains, co-captains, the team members themselves, and maybe a little bit about each team, to try to introduce them and build some background on each of the teams. Because, as you know, if you've watched the Alliance Tournament, it can go by pretty quickly. You got bands, commentary, and then we go into the matches. And who are these teams? Where do they come from? What do they do in the game? Who are they? And I think it's extremely valuable. I was very excited about it, because I think it's a very exciting and important thing to introduce each of the teams. So that's when the idea of doing it this way instead came about. Try to get as much information as possible in as short a period of time across for each of the teams. So some of these graphics were pulled from the board game, actually. So some of the icons and things. And I really wanted to capture, what I thought maybe a Caldari version of this might look like, sort of an information feed from the Caldari state, give it a little character and bring it to life. So I hope you enjoyed those, and I hope you've enjoyed this little glimpse into the development of this project, and hopefully we get to do something like this again next year. And thanks for joining, and we'll see you in space. Fly safe.